attended the WAVE workshop, and my name is Dhruthi, and I'm going to be telling you about my experience at WAVE workshop. It was really fun, and I learned a lot. And one of my favorite activities was when we intertwined two ropes, and we were trying to tie them to our hands, and we were trying to find a way to get out. And then the coach taught us a lesson about how the problem is always in the solution. And we learned a lot of mind techniques and how to concentrate and use your willpower. And now I can memorize many things with the techniques he taught me, like the 100 digits of pi, the periodic table, and many more. And it was really fun, and you should go there too.